For the people of Hualien's mountain villages, a nightmare that's lasted weeks just won't end. This month's magnitude 7.2 earthquake, followed by days of powerful aftershocks, upset the rocks and boulders that perch delicately on these slopes in eastern Taiwan. Now, heavy rain has sent them tumbling down, threatening homes.
不睡觉了，
不敢睡觉。
就是怕造成土石流嘛，怕下雨而已。像从现在开始，怕说一直连续下雨，下大雨，那我们必须是不是要离开我们住的地方？
For some, the answer is yes. A few have been advised their homes are unsafe, and in the rugged Xiulin township, at least 2 neighborhoods have been forced to evacuate. The mayor warns more evacuations may be on the way.
只要是大雨特报，好，我们就会强制所有的保全户，好，全乡的保全户都能够到收容站。
Fresh rock slides are complicating work to repair earthquake-affected roads in the mountains. And they're also causing heavy damage to some of the tourist infrastructure that drives the area's economy. Bed and breakfasts and hotels have been destroyed, and a popular trail overlooking the sea will need long and costly repairs. It joins a list of scenic attractions, including famed spots in Taroko National Park that may take months, if not years, to restore.
预计大概是400万左右的经费，但是因为有看到防落石设施的毁损，可能还要再加200万，整个防落石的把它重新的把它恢复。我们采重建的话，预计会到3个月到6个月左右的工期才有办法完成。
While the post-earthquake cleanup makes headway in other parts of Taiwan, here in the rural villages not far from the epicenter, it's only just getting started. Luffy Li and John Van Trieste for Taiwan Plus.